Hello everyone. Now we will discuss R.K. Narayan's short story Under the Banyan Tree. Under the Banyan Tree is a short story by R.K. Narayan, and in this video we will discuss the themes employed in the story. What are the themes employed in this story? We will discuss in this video. Under the Banyan Tree is a short story by R.K. Narayan. When we speak of themes of this story, we find that there are many themes. Here we can find the theme of storytelling, theme of isolation, hardships, escape, and loyalty and selfishness. So we can explore a number of themes in this video, and the present story is a short story that is taken from R.K. Narayan's A Collection of Short Stories and Astrologer's Day. An Astrologer's Day is a collection of short stories, and an Astrologer's Day is the title of this collection of short stories. This collection, An Astrologer's Day, includes many stories, and the present story is narrated in the third person by narrator. And from the beginning of the story we realize that Narayan may be exploring the theme of isolation, as we see that the main character of the story, Nambi, lives in isolation and lives in isolation apart from the world around this. He lives in the village Somal. Somal, the village described in the story, is isolated from the world around it, and Nambi, the central character of the story, lives in this village. Then, nearest bus stop is 10 miles away, and the town is sparse, populated with less than 300 people. The fact that the population of Somal village is so small that may be important, as Narayan may be suggesting that the village is a difficult place to live in. The circumstances and situations narrated in the story show that the situations in the situation for living in the village are very difficult, with no real amenities at hand, because people of the village uh, do not have any facility for their good life. If anything, the center of the attention is now being the central character of the story and his ability to tell stories. So, what is the thing in the story that can attract us? The thing that can attract us is the central character of the story, Nambi, and his ability of storytelling. Nambi's ability to tell a story is interesting, as it may be a case that the people informed listen to Nambi's stories in order to escape from the hardships that surrounded them. The people from this village go to Nambi and listen his stories because they want to escape from their real uh, difficulties, and while listening his stories they find themselves uh, away from their hardships. It is easier for the villagers to listen to Nambi's stories than it is to face the realities of living in Shamal village. As we know that the people of this village Shamal are living in difficult situations, and they do not have this patience to bear their difficulties, and they chose to listen Nambi's stories. It is also possible that Narayana is exploring the theme of failure. When Nambi loses the ability to tell a story, he begins to get afraid, and he claims that he is old, and he is unable to tell stories. However, the reality may be very different from Nambi. As with writers who go through a period without being able to write, Nambi too may be going through a period of being unable to tell a story. Thus, the situation of Nambi is compared with situation of writers who write stories. When a writer loses his ability to write in the same way, Nambi loses his ability to tell stories. However, rather than preserving or giving himself time, Nambi chooses to remain silent and stop telling stories altogether. It is as though he has finally done dry. It is also interesting that many of the people in the village lacked the patience to wait for Nambi to return to telling stories. When he lost his ability to tell stories, people stopped to pay attention towards him or to his stories. When he continually stumbles in a story, many of the people in the village decide to walk away. It is as their means of escape is no longer. Now, Nambi is no longer useful for them, and they chose to walk away from him. It is also interesting that only Mari shows Nambi any type of loyalty. He is the only person in the village was not only loyalty to Nambi but patience too. Everybody else in the village walks away from Nambi. It is as he is no longer of any use to anybody in the village because he can't tell a story like he used to be able to do. And another thing we can find in the story also possible that Narayan is suggesting that everybody has a purpose, and for Nambi his purpose was to tell stories. So the sole purpose in Nambi's life was to tell stories. However, when he lost the ability to tell stories, he was no longer useful to people. Will stop, which may suggest a certain selfishness in society or in village Chomal. When a person is no longer useful, they are forgotten about. Even Mari's polite words towards Nambi cannot hide the fact that Nambi is no longer of any use to people in the village Chomal. He has served his purpose, and old age has forgotten the better of Nambi with his inability to remember stories. And we can also explore here that Nambi is not the only one who is suffering. The people of Somal no longer have an avenue of escape now that Nambi is silent. They do not find any escape in company of Nambi. The hardships that incur daily will be even more real for them. And now they started to spend their time in feeling their difficulties, which may be the point that Narayan is attempting to make. He may be suggesting that everybody, regardless of who they may be, with reliant on each other, who will stop just as a number needs an audience to tell his story, to serve, to do the people in summer have a need to hear the stories that Nambi tell them. And one theme that can be explored here that Narayan is focusing on the art of storytelling. When Nambi told a story, he never used the same character twice. Every time when he tells a story, he mm, he produces new character in his stories, and daily he tells a new story with new characters. It is possible that Narayan is highlighting just how difficult the art of storytelling really is and how it frustrated a storyteller may get when they lost the ability to tell a story. Not only does the storyteller fear never being able to tell a story again, but they also fear less, which is the case with Nambi. It is as though storytelling was Lambi's life, and now that he is unable to tell a story, he has decided to remain silent. Some critics find that there is a message design that is designed is of extreme nature. Rather than giving himself time, Nambi gives up and storytelling believing that it is the will of the great mother. Whether the reader believes this is another thing, as each individual reader in complete the story differently. Some people will suggest that Nambi gives up storytelling, believing that it is the will of the Great Mother, while others will agree with Nambi and suggest that the region is unable to tell his story because of their will of the Great Mother.